Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the camera tricks on the Honor 200 Smart. Alright, so let's begin. So let's open up our camera app, and in here I will try to describe for you the most interesting features we have. So under this symbol photo mode, we have two levels of the zooms. Unfortunately, this phone doesn't have the 0.6 zoom. I don't know why, but it simply doesn't. When it comes to the maximum zoom, we need to do it. We need to zoom using our fingers, and as you can see, the maximum zoom is 8x. It's not much. Also, above we have the Google lens. Sorry, it's the Honor lens. And in here we can simply scan the QR codes. Next to it we have the flashlight. In here we have the filters. You can select them right in here. We have a few of them. And next to it we have the AI camera, AI photography. It does that. So the AI photography brings out the color in your photos by adjusting camera settings based on the subject. And you can see now on the screen the difference between those photos. So it's simply when you are using the AI photography, the photos should look simply better and with better colors. Also, if you click on the settings, in here you can select the frame rate of your video. We have a 1080p and only 30 FPS. We can't have 60, I don't know why. You can also enable the associative grid and the horizontal level in the settings, and also enable the location tag. When you click on the video, just like I have said, in here you can change the resolution. So we have 16:9 1080p, 21:9 720, and 60:9 720. And when it comes to the FPS, we only have 30 on each resolution, so it's pretty bad. Also, under the more, we have the color and the best settings, best features. We have the Pro Mode, Slow Motion, Panorama, HDR Photo, Time Lapse, Watermark, and the high resolution. So when you open up the Pro Mode, in here we have a bunch of values and things that we can adjust to our own preferences. So under the M we have, I don't know actually what, but okay, is the metering. Now I know. So in the Pro Mode we can choose the metering. Choose from Matrix, Center, and Spot metering. Matrix metering selects a wide area of the screen. Central weight metering selects the entire frame, but assigns greater weight to the center. Spot metering focus on 2.5% of the viewfinder area surrounding the metering point. We also have the ISO. Control the camera sensitivity to light. A higher ISO requires a shorter exposure time, but produces a photo with more noise. Shutter speed, set exposure time. Keep the device steady during exposure to avoid blurring the photo. Next thing is the exposure compensation. Change the recommended exposure setting to make photos brighter or darker. Also the focus, white balance, and setting lock. So to adjust all of those things, simply, for example, select the ISO, and now using your finger you can select it manually, and also if you want you can click on automatic. The next thing is the shutter, as I remember. Yeah, shutter speed. In here you can select it. Next to it we have this EV, the exposure. Next to it we have the AF. What is it actually? Actually, I don't even know. But you can select this. We have the AF to C, AF to S, and MF. I don't know actually what is it, but okay, easy focus, my bad. it's the focus, and next to it we have the white balance. So in here we can once more adjust almost anything that we want. You can now see that it's changing right now on the screen, so we can simply see the differences. Alright, so that's about the Pro mode. We also have the slow motion. So the slow motion provides that simply the photos will be really slowed. And now I'm gonna create a quick video just to show you how this works. So I'm gonna record a quick video. Alright, now let's open our file. I'm gonna record. And now you can see that the video is really slowed. So basically that's what the slow motion option does. Alright, next thing is the panorama mode. I'm also going to show you how to use it. Okay, touch the shutter and move the camera slowly in the direction in the arrow. Unfortunately you cannot change the direction. Oh, no, actually you can, by clicking right in here. Maybe not the... you can change the rotation, sorry. So it can be from that move, or left to right. Unfortunately you cannot change the direction from right to left, it can only be left to right. Alright, so now I'm going to click on the shutter button, and now I'm gonna move gently from the left to the right. Alright, now you can see on the screen that this photo and this bar in the middle has started to fulfill. Okay, once you are done, simply save your photo, and now that's how panorama mode works. So you can see that basically I took a pretty wide photo just because I performed that move from the left to the right. And this mode works of course the best when you're outside and you have some objects that are really far away, and you want to simply take a photo of them. For example, it's good to use in the mountains when you have a beautiful landscape and you want to, you know, take a whole picture of it. Next thing is the HDR photo. So the HDR improves the details in the lightest and darkest areas of photos, steady the camera when taking photos. In here again you can see the difference in the colors, how it looks like. Yeah, that's it. Next thing is the time lapse. In here you can also select the FPS, same thing with the resolution, and in here again you have some adjustable things, just like in the Pro mode. Basically that's the same values that you can adjust. But also there was something also right in here. Yeah. In here you could select the filter, I think. Yeah. In here you can change the... Oh, actually it's not the 10. It's not the filter, that's some other things. Okay, you can change the interval right in here. And the recording duration. So you can adjust it right in here. Also you can enable the watermark, so basically when you take a photo it will be with the watermark. And here you can change the style of it, and also you can add your own text. And the last thing is the high resolution. So the high resolution can capture more details. It will be better to use in a bright environment. Unfortunately I cannot show you how to use it, but you need to believe me. Also, if you open up the settings, in here I wonder if there's something I want to show you. Also, if you want, you can disable or enable the mirror reflection. Some people likes when it's enabled, some people when it doesn't. It's about the front camera, so I suggest you should take some photos and see if in your opinion they look better on the mirror, with the mirror reflection, or without it. So you can select it. Also, under the smart capture, I almost forgot, you can enable to automatically take photos when people smile. So if you want, it's also a cool feature, and you can enable it right in here in the settings. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.